Be honest. Do you still make New Year's resolutions, or do you quit after 1 week?
Many people do, and that's okay.
In this episode, we'll show you how to talk about your New Year in English, even if you have no resolutions at all.
You'll learn 7 easy phrases you can use in real conversations.
Hello, and welcome back to Anta English. I'm Anta. On this channel, we practice real, everyday English in a calm and simple way.
If that sounds helpful, please subscribe and like this video.
Today, we'll talk about last year, next year, and your plans.
And yes, we have a short mini game at the end.
Let's begin. So, David, how are you today?
I'm fantastic today.
That's good to hear. Why do you feel so good?
I had a very nice morning. I drank coffee and listened to music.
That sounds relaxing. Did you do anything nice this weekend?
Yes, I did. I stayed at home.
What did you do at home?
I watched movies and slept a lot. I slept for 10 hours on Saturday.
10 hours? Wow. You were very sleepy.
Yes, I was very tired, but now I feel full of energy.
That's great. I'm ready for our conversation.
Me too.
So, David, let's talk about the new year. How was your New Year's Eve? What did you do on New Year's Eve?
I went to a friend's house.
Oh, nice. Did you have a party?
Yes, but it was a small party. About 10 people were there.
What was the party like?
It was very cozy and warm. My friend's house has a big fireplace, so we sat near it and talked for a long time.
That sounds lovely. Did you play games?
Yes, we played simple games.
What kind of games?
We played card games.
Did you win?
I won 1 game, but I lost 2 games.
That's okay. It's just for fun.
Yes, exactly. We also ate many snacks.
What kind of snacks?
We ate chips, dips, and small sandwiches.
Yum. That sounds delicious. What about the countdown at midnight?
Yes, we did the countdown.
How was it?
At midnight, we stood up and watched the clock on TV.
Did you count together?
Yes, we shouted 10, 9, 8, and then Happy New Year.
That's a nice tradition. Did you drink champagne?
No, I didn't drink champagne. I was driving later.
What did you drink?
I drank sparkling juice. It was sweet and bubbly.
That sounds good.
How about you, Anta? What did you do on New Year's Eve?
My New Year's Eve was very quiet.
Were you alone?
No, I was not alone. I was with you.
Oh, yes, you're right. We were together. We stayed at home.
What did we do at home?
We cooked dinner together.
Oh, yes. I remember now. We made pasta.
Yes, we made your tomato pasta with fresh basil.
And we made garlic bread, too.
We ate on the sofa and watched TV.
We watched the fireworks from the city on TV.
The fireworks were beautiful. They had many colors.
Yes, but our cat Pepper was scared.
Poor Pepper, she hid under the bed.
So, our New Year's Eve was very calm and quiet.
Yes, no party, just good food and TV. And it was perfect.
It was perfect for me, too. Now, let's talk about the next year. Let's talk about our plans and hopes.
Anta, do you have any New Year's resolutions?
Yes, I do.
What is a New Year's resolution?
It's a promise you make to yourself for the new year.
That's right. What is your resolution?
My resolution is to read more books. I want to read 1 book every month.
So 12 books in 1 year.
Yes, 12 books in a year.
What kind of books do you want to read?
Easy English books like short stories. It's good for my English, and it's fun.
That's very smart. Do you want to read other books too?
Yes, maybe 1 or 2 big difficult books in my own language.
That sounds like a perfect plan.
What about you, David? Do you have a resolution?
Yes, I do. My resolution is to learn how to cook 5 new meals.
5 new meals? That's very specific.
Yes, I like specific goals. 1 new meal every 2 or 3 months?
That sounds possible.
Yes, not too difficult and not too easy.
Will you cook these new meals for me?
Of course. You can try them.
I will be your taste tester.
Perfect. If the food is good, we eat it. And if it is bad, then we order pizza. No problem.
I like that plan very much. So, resolutions are goals for yourself. But what about other plans?
You mean things you want to do but not resolutions. In the next year, I really want to travel more. Even small trips are okay.
Like where?
Maybe I want to visit a new city in my country. I stay in my city too much.
Do you have a place in mind?
Yes, I'm thinking about the mountains. I want to go in the summer.
Why summer?
Green trees, fresh air, and maybe a lake.
That sounds wonderful. I want to travel too, but my plan is different.
Oh, tell me.
I want to visit my old friend Anna. She lives in another country now.
That's a lovely plan.
I haven't seen her for 2 years, so I'm saving money for the plane ticket.
That's exciting.
I'm really looking forward to it.
Looking forward to it is a great phrase. It means you feel happy and excited about the future.
Now let's talk about work or study. Do you have any plans for your work this year, David?
Yes, I do. I want to learn a new skill.
What kind of skill?
Maybe a computer skill. I want to learn how to make simple videos or edit photos.
That's a very smart plan.
Yes, it's good for my career. And maybe I can help you with our YouTube channel.
That would be great. Maybe you can edit our videos.
Yes, I can try. How about you, Anta?
I want to continue studying English every day, just a little bit. And I also want to start a new hobby.
A new hobby sounds fun.
Yes, something with my hands. Maybe painting. Very simple painting. Or maybe gardening.
Gardening is a great idea. You have a small balcony. You can grow small flowers or herbs there.
Herbs sound nice. Or even tomatoes.
Tomatoes? That's interesting. You can grow tomatoes and then eat them. Homegrown tomatoes are delicious. Much better than supermarket tomatoes.
Okay, I think I will try gardening.
You made a decision. Next year, your balcony will be green and colorful.
I hope so. I know nothing about plants, so I need to learn.
That's okay. We can learn together. It can be our shared project.
I like that. A shared project. Now, David, be honest. What are you not looking forward to next year?
Oh, that's easy. Winter.
Winter again?
Yes. Next winter will be cold, and I don't like being very cold.
Me neither. My nose always gets red.
I don't look forward to cold, dark mornings. It's hard to wake up.
Yes, it is. But you do look forward to something.
What do you mean?
Hot coffee on cold mornings and warm blankets.
That's true. Every bad thing has a good thing too.
That's positive thinking.
Okay, now we talked about the future. Let's talk about last year. What was the best thing about last year for you? The happiest memory?
The best thing was meeting you.
That was 2 years ago, Anta.
Oh, right. Time flies. Okay, I think the best thing last year was my vacation.
Where did you go?
I went to the sea in July. I went alone for 3 days.
What did you do?
I read books, I swam, and I slept. I felt very peaceful.
That sounds perfect. I want a vacation like that.
You should take one.
For me, the best thing last year was finishing a big project at work. It took 6 months. When I finished, I felt very proud.
You should feel proud.
My boss said thank you.
That's a big achievement. Now, what about a difficult thing last year? Something not so good.
I think it was when I was sick in February. I had a bad cold for 2 weeks.
Oh no, that's hard.
I stayed at home and watched TV all day.
Being sick is never fun.
A difficult thing for me last year was saying goodbye to my old car.
Your blue car?
Yes, my blue car, I really loved it. It was very old, but we had many adventures together.
What happened to it?
It stopped working. The engine was finished.
Oh no, that's sad. Do you have a new car now?
Yes, I do. I have a new small car. It's safer and more reliable.
Change can be good. Sometimes we need change in our lives, so next year we can have good changes too.
I agree. Let's think about one big dream plan for next year. A dream plan, not just a normal plan.
Yes, a big dream. Anything is possible.
Okay, my dream is to save money.
Save money for what?
I want to save money for a big trip. Maybe to another continent, but not next year, maybe the year after next.
That's a very responsible dream. I like it.
What about you, Anta? What is your big dream?
My dream is to speak English more confidently.
You already speak English very well.
Thank you. But sometimes my mind feels empty. I can't find the right word.
That happens to everyone.
I want to think in English faster.
That takes time. but you will improve.
I hope so.
So we have many things for the new year. We have resolutions, plans, and dreams.
And we have each other to talk about these plans. Talking about plans makes them feel real.
Yes, it makes the future exciting, not scary. Even small plans are fun.
Like what?
For example, next week I will go to the cinema.
There you go. You made a plan. I also have a small plan.
What is it?
I plan to buy a small plant for my balcony. My first plant.
What will you name it?
Name it? It's just a plant.
All good plants have names.
Really?
Yes. My friend names his plants Steve, Bob, and Princess.
Okay. I will think of a name. Maybe Greenie.
Greenie is a good name. Simple and nice.
So we are ready for the new year, with big dreams and small plans.
Yes, and we are ready to help our friends at Anta English practice English with us.
That's a very good plan. Now, before our vocabulary review, let's add a light debate to make things interesting.
Oh, okay.
Some people say, New Year's resolutions are useless. They say people quit after 1 week. Do you agree?
A little. Many people make big resolutions like I will wake up at 5 a.m. every day, and then they stop.
That's true. Big goals can feel heavy, but I don't think resolutions are useless. I think the problem is the goal is too big.
So you think resolutions can work, but they must be small?
Yes, a small resolution is easier to keep, like I will read 5 minutes a day, not I will read 100 books.
I agree. And also, some people don't need resolutions. They can just make a simple plan anytime.
Great point. So the real question is, are you a resolution person or a small plan person?
Tell us in the comments. Resolution team or small plan team?
Perfect. Now let's slow down and review some useful words and phrases.
Yes, a short vocabulary review. Where should we start?
Let's start with New Year's resolution.
A resolution is a strong promise you make to yourself. A New Year's resolution is a promise you make at the start of a new year, usually to improve your life.
For example, my New Year's resolution is to exercise 3 times a week. Or, her New Year's resolution is to stop eating chocolate.
That one is very difficult.
The next phrase is, I'm looking forward to. We use this phrase many times.
Yes, it's a great phrase. I'm looking forward to means you feel happy and excited about the future. You think about something with a smile.
The grammar is important. After this phrase, we use a noun or an ing verb.
For example, I'm looking forward to the weekend and I'm looking forward to seeing you.
You can also use it in emails. I'm looking forward to your reply.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about a dream plan.
A dream plan is different from a normal plan. A normal plan is something you will do soon. A dream plan is bigger. It may take more time, but it gives you motivation and hope, and that is a great way to start a new year.
A normal plan is, I will go to the supermarket today. That's small and easy. A dream plan is bigger. My dream plan is to visit every country in the world. Or, my dream plan is to have a small house by the sea.
Another short phrase we used earlier is time flies.
We say time flies when we are surprised that time passed very fast. Time moves quickly, like a bird flying.
For example, I started working here 5 years ago. Time flies. Or, my nephew is already 10 years old. Time flies.
We often use it when we feel a little nostalgic, happy, a little sad, and surprised.
Now let's look at 2 more words from the beginning of our talk. The first word is cozy.
Cozy is a wonderful word. It describes a place that feels warm and comfortable. It also feels safe and small in a nice way.
A cozy room may have soft lights, a sofa, a blanket, and pillows.
You can say, my apartment is cozy, or that cafe is very cozy. Cozy is the opposite of a big, cold, formal place.
Another word we used was countdown.
A countdown is when you count numbers backwards to 0. We usually do this before something exciting. The most famous countdown is on New Year's Eve. 10, 9, 8.
We also use it in other situations. The countdown to my vacation has started.
One more important phrase is save money.
To save money means you do not spend it. You keep it for the future. This is different from earn money.
You earn money from your job. You save money for a goal.
For example, I want to save money for a new computer, or I am saving money for a big trip.
Let's review the vocabulary from today. New Year's resolution, I'm looking forward to. Dream plan, time flies, cozy, countdown, save money.
That is a lot of very useful vocabulary.
Now it's time for a mini game, super short.
Yes, everyone play with us. Anta will say a situation and I will say the best phrase. You can answer out loud too.
Situation 1. You feel excited because you will visit your friend next month.
I'm looking forward to visiting my friend next month.
Great. Situation 2. You promise yourself you will read more books this year.
My New Year's resolution is to read more books.
Perfect. Situation 3. You want to stop spending money on random shopping.
I want to save money, or I'm trying to save money.
Excellent. Situation 4. Your room feels warm, safe, and comfortable.
My room is cozy.
You did great.
Try to use one of these phrases this week. You can write a sentence in the comments. My dream plan is to, or I'm looking forward to.
We will read all your comments. Writing sentences is the best way to remember new words.
Now, are you ready to continue with our wrap-up, Anta?
Yes, I am ready. We talked for a long time today, so let's help our listeners remember what we practiced.
Good idea. My brain is full of thoughts about the past and the future.
Today's main topic was the new year and making plans.
And we divided it into 2 parts. First, we talked about the past. We asked questions like, how was your new year? And what did you do?
We used the past simple tense a lot. I went to a party. We cooked pasta. We watched fireworks.
Your new year may be very different from ours. Maybe you had a big party, or maybe you went to bed early. Both are okay. There is no wrong answer.
The goal is to practice talking about what happened.
Then we moved to the future. We talked about plans and hopes for the next year.
We used simple phrases like, I want to, I plan to, and I'm looking forward to.
We also talked about resolutions, plans, and dreams. Resolutions are promises to yourself. Plans are normal things you want to do soon. And dreams are big hopes for the future.
We also said something important. Simple sentences are powerful. I want to travel. I plan to study. I hope to see my friend. These sentences are clear and correct.
Yes, sometimes we use will, but for your level, I want to, I plan to, and I'm going to are perfect.
Now, before we finish, it's time for our favorite part, the question of the day.
Today's question is, what is one small plan you have for next month?
We say small plan because big plans can feel scary. A small plan is easy to think about and easy to do.
For example, my small plan is to clean my closet, or my small plan is to watch 3 classic movies, or my plan is to learn 10 new English words.
Please write your small plan in the comments below. We read every single comment.
If you have any questions about today's lesson, write them too. Maybe you want help saying your plan in English? We will try to help you.
If you enjoyed this slow and friendly conversation, please give this video a thumbs up.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to Anta English. We make new videos every week to help you learn English.
Learning English is a journey, a long and fun journey. We are very happy to be a small part of your journey.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. You are all amazing for practicing.
Remember, be kind to yourself. Making mistakes is how we learn. Just keep trying.
So from both of us, have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and a wonderful year ahead.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.